Sometimes ideas come on the go. If you're reading something interesting and figure that's a great share to your social media profiles, you can share it using SocialBee's browser extension. You can install it from your browser's app store, or you can find links to it in your SocialBee account under the Content menu by going to the tab called Browser Extensions. The browser extension is currently available on browsers like Chrome and Firefox and will help you create content on the go. You can use the extension to curate content, bring in videos, or share posts from other people. Once installed, you can use the browser extension anytime you want to bring in content into your SocialBee account or publish it on the go. To use it, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your SocialBee account from the same browser. Then, whenever you want to import content into SocialBee, you can click on the SocialBee logo in the extensions bar on your browser, and SocialBee's post editor will open up. You'll be able to select the correct workspace, the correct profiles, and create your content just like you would directly in SocialBee. The browser extension will pick up the link of the page that you're on so that you can create your post around it. You'll be able to use all the features you normally have available in your SocialBee post editor so that you can create your content flawlessly. Please check out our video tutorials and help articles linked in the video description to learn more about creating and scheduling the content that you import via the browser extension. SocialBee's browser extension is connected to your SocialBee account and can be used at no extra cost as long as you have an active account with SocialBee, whether paid or in trial. If you're running into any issues while using the browser extension or any other SocialBee feature, please reach out to our team at success@socialbee.com.